Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. And we'll grow True Wants together. Also, right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform. So if you're enjoying my content, please take a second to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you giving a shout out to YouTube to share my videos with others that enjoy this type of content. They just haven't had the opportunity to meet me yet. So I'm thanking in advance for that thumbs up. All right. I am blown away. I have already shared with you guys, and I will leave it in my description box down below, that I already received my first order from my Boxycharm POPUP, which I did on the day of choice, and I immediately went in for those two items. They were unbelievable. Marc Jacobs and an Ofra palette, both of them blew my mind. They were so reasonably priced, but like I said, I will leave that in the comment in the description box right underneath so you guys can watch that video. Fantastic, swatched and everything. This one was when, after I got all my boxes, if there was something missing in the boxes that I wanted, that was what my second order was going to be. And I keep my fingers crossed that I'm not going to have to do the second order, because I do get 2 boxes on 2 accounts. So I get 2 bases and 2 premiums. And yet the one item that I had my eyes on, just out of curiosity, wasn't in either of those boxes. But as you know, with pop-up, there is a $25 minimum. So I was waiting for a couple of the sales that I sneak peeked with you guys. I do those spoiler videos where they had some duos and stuff for fantastic prices. I missed out on one of them that I wanted, which was the Murad spray, but the second item was there. So I was able to purchase a couple of other items that were on my list, but not ones that I was like, oh, I got to get my hands on these. But the main item that I wanted was available, and that's how this second order became reality and here for me to share with you guys. So I do have my notes so I know what I paid and what the values are, and we'll go through everything together. So the first one that I want to share with you was the Duo deal, and this is from Glam Glow, and this is a product that I've used before, and it is fantastic, and I've recommended it to you guys as well. This I paid for 2 of them, $12.99, with a value of $64. This is the Super Cleanse. It is a clearing cream to foam cleanser. It has an advanced cleanser with powerful blend of 3 charcoals to detoxify your skin by removing pore clogging debris, excess oil, and face makeup. I use this as my second cleanse. I don't use this to remove my makeup, but I'm a girl who is combo and I'm acne prone still, believe it or not. I have dry patches and still get acne. It doesn't make sense to me, but it is what it is. So I have the opportunity to try so many different products just based on my skin type being everything from normal to dry to combo and oily and acne prone. So this one, it says, apply to the dry face, massage evenly in circular motions, rinse well, pat dry, and use as desired. I pulled back a little bit of this one, the safety seal that was in here, just so that I'd be able to show you guys that it is those 3 charcoals. So it's gonna look like this color, but it really doesn't like create any craziness on your sink or anything like that. It really is a beautiful, beautiful cleanser. I also had the opportunity to try their masks, which are out of this world, as well as their exfoliating scrub, which also I was really impressed with. So the fact that this was available, I wanted that 100%. The next item was one that I added in after the fact, and it was one that I didn't receive in a previous box, and it was from this brand called Hanskin. It's a Hyaluron Skin Essence. And I shared with you on my channel that I got introduced to essences through Tatcha. And ever since that, I am an essence girl. Essence is a very watery like consistency. You use an essence before a serum. Essences enable your skin to take in the, after you cleanse, definitely, and your tone, you use the essence. When you put the essence in, I drop a little bit. I used to use it with a cotton round, and I don't recommend that because you'll end up using too much. You take a couple of drops on your hand, you place your hands together, and you press it into your skin. That's how I use mine. And then supposedly essences, what they're supposed to do is then enable your skin to take on the serums and that get deeper into your skin. So this step is a K-beauty step that I never knew about, and it's one, like I said, if it wasn't for Tatcha, I learned so much from that brand, but that is such an expensive brand. So it's a K-beauty product, so I wanted to be able to try this one. This was only $5, and it is a $46 product. Essences are expensive. It says, developed by inventors of K-beauty's first BB cream. This hydrating essence will help you achieve a glass skin with sodium hyaluronic, a powerful moisturizing that's capable of holding up to 1,000 times weight in water. That's what hyaluronic acid does. This, and don't worry if you hear acid, our body makes it, it just stops making it. This cushioning, as we age, this cushioning non-sticky formula, it instantly quenches and restores your skin's natural glow. How to use it: after cleansing and toning your skin, dispense a dime-sized amount onto the palms of your hands and pat into skin. Allow 30 seconds to a minute to absorb, then follow with your moisturizer. I also recommend that highly. Definitely wait that extra minute to let it get in. These sink in so quickly, you really won't even have to wait a minute. But I'm telling you, if you have for $5 to have an opportunity to try an essence, I think it is something that it changed my skincare game. All right, the next item in here was from the brand called LALA. And this I took on because I needed to get to that $25 number. So this here I ended up trying, and I figured why not? It was $6, and it was, and if you're not familiar, LALA is, I'm pretty sure this is her. This is her beauty brand line, and she was on Vanderpump Rules. Now she's, you know, married and has a baby, and she came up with this beauty brand. We all had, a lot of us had the opportunity to try her eyeshadow palette. Some people loved it, some people didn't. So I had the opportunity to try her glosses as well, and I really enjoyed her glosses that came with a liner also, I think. So I've been impressed so far with her brand. With that said, when I pulled this out of the packaging, the liner was nice. The lipstick, I'm going to show you, the packaging feels very inexpensive, and it looks more expensive than it feels. And but what matters is the actual lipstick inside, which I don't know, we'll swatch, but I had trouble rolling it up for the picture and then rolling it back down. So let's go through and read what it says on here, but I wanted you guys to know that. So this I got for $6, the liner and the lipstick. And this one is in the shade called Kentucky Muffin, which is another girl that is from Kentucky, was in the cast. This is $28 value, they're saying. This is their lip duo that includes a lipstick and a liner, and it will be absolutely, we will go crazy for. This is a smooth pigmented formula that applies like a dream for extended moisturizing wear. It says use the creamy liner to define their lips, then apply your lipstick in the center of your lips for a gorgeous lip look. If you want a more pouty look, you can fill in your lips completely with the liner. Then you can apply the lipstick on top for a more intense wear, and your lip liner can easily be replenished by using a simple sharpener. P.S. The natural pigment of your lips will always have different undertones than their photos. Please note that the shades might look different based on your beautiful skin tone. So it's always hard to choose colors on websites. So this is what the lip liner looks like. And it says, give me LALA on here. And it just says lip liner. And I do not see a shade on here. If I do find a shade for this, I will definitely mark it in the comments down below. But on top here, it just says LO3. So that is what the liner looks like here. That is the color there. It's a beautiful color. And this went on nice. This is the one that I had a little bit of trouble with. It's very, very hard to turn up. I don't know why. It almost feels like a plasticky, like a kid's toy. I don't know how to explain it any other way. And then this is what this looks like here. Let's do a swatch of this. The lipstick feels beautiful and it feels very creamy. I'm gonna do it a few times so we could see the full color, and then I'm gonna do it once on top so you can see the difference. That's once, and that's a couple of times. The shade is absolutely stunning. If it wasn't for the actual container, but maybe after use it'll loosen up. But like I said, if you receive this, tell me if you feel the same way that I do, and if you don't, please share that in the comments down below too, because the comments down below at True Wants is your voice, and that is the second item that I chose. And then the last one was what started this whole ball rolling. This is from this brand called Truly. And this, they were pumping so much that I thought majority of us would have gotten this in our boxes. And I've only had the opportunity to watch a few, but the ones that I did, nobody that I saw got this product. So this is the Pineapple Haze CBD Glossy Lip Butter. It is, this I only paid $6 for, and it is a $16 value. And it says, soak in the benefits of hemp jojoba vitamin E to hydrate and condition your lips while protecting them against everyday environmental aggressors like sun and dry weather. It's a perfect daily balm that adds a juicy shine to your lips, locking in moisture all day long. You could even smooth it on before bed as a nighttime repairing lip mask. How to use this? It says apply the butter directly to your lips. It can be used alone or paired with a gloss for an extra glossy effect. Apply as often as desired. And that, I was surprised when I read that when I was doing my notes, because to me, I would never put a night treatment on and then put a gloss over it. But look how fantastic. I mean, this is so Instagram worthy. The picture of this alone is what got me. It looked almost like ice cream, you know, soft serve ice cream. But when I opened it up, there was no real scent. I really didn't feel anything. And it feels, I don't even know how to explain what it feels. It feels very moisturizing, but it's like, I thought it would be like where your finger would sink in, like other lip balms that I have. That's not the feeling I'm getting. It's a very hard balm that I think melts only with the warmth of your fingers. You really have to use your fingers to go in, and then it feels very luxurious on the skin. And that's what it looks like there. So that's everything that I ended up purchasing in my my second Boxy pop-up. I only went in initially for what I wanted, and this whole great purchase ended up being because of this guy, and I'm more excited about all the other items than I am about the one that I wanted. So there it goes to show that we have the opportunity through the pop-up to get things at such amazing deals that even if this is not something that I would love, it's $6 to try this, which is less expensive than Drugstore, but it is an up-and-coming brand. But until I use it, I'm not going to know anything different. It's just my first impression. So please share in the comments, like I said down below, if you received this and if you've had the opportunity to use it. I would love to know your thoughts on this as well. And that's everything that I received and I purchased for myself. I think the Boxy pop-up and the add-ons are fantastic. And I think it's also great that not only do we get previous products that we fell in love with at huge discounted prices, but we also don't have any FOMO, because if we don't get it in our box, hopefully it's available for us in add-ons. And that's all for today. So thank you everyone for joining me, and I will see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.